Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a concept in Facebook ads, that is ABO and CBO. ABO means ad set budget optimization and CBO means campaign budget optimization in Facebook ads. Many times people ask me, sir, what is ABO and CBO in budget optimization in Facebook ads? Now let us discuss about it. Whenever you create a new Facebook ad campaign, as you can see in my display, I'm into my Facebook ads manager and I'm creating a new ad campaign, and here on the ads campaign level, right, on the ad campaign level we get a section that is of budget. Whether you want to decide your budget on the campaign level or whether you want to decide budget on the ad set level. If I select the campaign budget, right, and for example, as you can see, this ad campaign have a single ad set, right? If this campaign had multiple ad set, for example 4 ad sets are there in this single campaign, and I have selected the campaign budget, right, then automatically Meta will do campaign budget optimization. It means Meta will automatically divide this daily budget accordingly on the basis of performance of the 4 ad sets. For example, one ad set is performing extraordinary, it is performing very much well, then what Meta will do is Meta might put 5,000 budget on that particular ad set, and remaining 3,000 budget will automatically get distributed among the other 3 ad sets. Okay, so it was the scenario when one ad set is performing. For example, 3 ad sets are performing very much good and one ad set is not performing up to the mark. Then Meta will distribute major proportionate of your budget among those 3 ad set. Might be those 3 ad set would be running from $2,500 per day budget, right? And the another ad set that is not performing well, Meta can put 500 daily budget on that particular ad set, right? So this is campaign budget optimization. Meta will decide how much budget to be spent on the ad set level accordingly. But if you select the ad set budget, then Meta will distribute your budget at ad set level on the creatives. For example, as you can see here, we have a single ad campaign and it consists of a single ad set, and this ad set have 6 ad creatives, right? So if I select the ad set budget, then I am deciding the budget at ad set level, right? So I will decide budget at this ad level. And what Meta will do? Meta technology will automatically distribute your ad set budget to the ad creative level on the basis of ad creative performance. For example, among these 6 ad set, these 6 ad creatives, 2 ad creatives are performing extraordinary, very well, right? And the remaining 4 ad creatives, these 4 ad creatives are not performing good. And for example, if I have set the ad set budget to be let me set it $8,000 per day, then what Meta will do? Meta might distribute 3,000 budget on this ad creative, 3,000 budget on this ad creatives, as they are performing very much well, right? So 6,000 budget have already been allocated, and rest 2,000 budget will get distributed among these 4 ad creatives. Each ad creative might run with 500 daily budget, right? So you have selected budget at the ad set level over here. So for campaign budget optimization, what you can do is you can select the budget at campaign level, whereas if you want to do the ad set budget optimization, then you can select the ad set budget on the campaign level. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.